Hey everyone, welcome to another plan with me. Today I will be doing my Print Pression PP Weeks B6 format. That's a mouthful. I will be using my St. Patrick's Day PP Weeks kits. I have a whole bunch of other stickers in my shop. I will link them down below if you like that. But for now, let's go ahead and get into the plan with me. So normally the format I do is like this, the Monday through Saturday at the top. But I'm gonna do something a little different today. I have done this before and I do like it. I know that this week will not be super busy for me. At least I don't anticipate it to be. But I will be keeping enough space for just in case I get really busy, I'll have enough room to write in. So what I'm doing Monday through Friday on the left side, and I counted 6 boxes down from each so they were evenly spaced. Saturday and Sunday go onto the right side of the page, and then after that I'm just going to go ahead and put all the numbers down. So you don't have to use these numbers, but they do fit perfectly within the boxes. The paper that the stickers are printed on are the unicorn paper, or is the unicorn paper. So it's very smooth and you can write on it with no smudging. Literally like any pen or marker would do. I haven't used every pen in the world, so I can't say every pen actually works, but most pens and markers do. All right, and so for my deco boxes, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on that last space on the right side of the page. So this way I can keep all of my decorations together, but not overcrowd all of the space I need to write. So there are 7 deco boxes for the 7 days of the week, but I just layered them off-centered and alternating the angles so it looked kind of fun and different. So now I'm trying to figure out what to do with this box and I don't know what to do, but I decide, okay, what I like to do every single week in all of my planners is have a section of 3 items that I can prioritize for the week. On my dailies, which I'm about to set up right now, I do the same thing, but for the days. So each day, this is my Etsy shop planner. I need to be super organized. So each day I just allow myself 3 items to do for that day. I am in school, I have a house to take care of, and I have my shop. So prioritizing my time is very important, and it's a very important key to having a balanced life. So the less options I have to write down tasks, the more I can be efficient with my time. This last checklist, I don't have 7 days because of the way that the PP Weeks is set up. So I just put it under Saturday and just go with it. So the spot that's going to be under these 2 boxes, that is going to be my empty space where I can put tasks that I have to do, but don't have a specific day that they need to be done. For example, if this was just like a catch-all planner and it wasn't for my shop, I can write a grocery list, I can write things I want to accomplish that week, but don't really want to set a specific day to do it. So I really like that, and that's why I like the Print Pression planners, because you are able to customize it however you see fit, whatever works for you. So my camera wasn't focusing on this, but those little squiggles, those are little beer mugs because this is a St. Patrick's Day theme and drinking is a big part of it. I am mostly Irish, so I find this very amusing. But those were little black outlined beer mugs on a gold background. So I put those on top of the page, and as you can see, my Sunday was extremely crooked, but I decided, you know what? I'm just going to keep it that way. Whatever is imperfect, I have to live with, and it's a good learning experience. So this other washi is just a really dark green washi. I decided to put it along the bottom of the full page, including the centerpiece where it has to fold. I was going to cut this one, but decided because these stickers can flip up like that, I just lifted it up and put the washi under it so it looks more seamless. And this is how I bend my book to make sure that sticker on the bottom, that washi stays there. And then I just add one more washi to complete that bottom strip look. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. And it doesn't look overcrowded or anything. So that's cool. These last two strips, I really just wanted to use every last sticker on my kit. Because this is a minimalist kit, I try to make sure that you are able to use every single sticker to not waste your money. So I was able to lift up that to-do sticker to put those washi down. And then I put that to-do sticker back down, but I cover that little gap, so it actually made it look better. All right, so I think my spread is done. I'm really glad how it turned out. If you like this kit, or if you have any comments about what you would like to see in the future, either in videos or in the shop, leave a comment down below, and I'm excited to hear from you. Have a good day.